The 2024 Renault Clio is a small car that packs a big punch. With its captivating design, advanced features, and impressive performance, the Clio sets new standards in the compact car segment. In this review, we delve into the standout qualities of the 2024 Clio, including its sleek exterior, well-crafted interior, efficient engines, nimble handling, and cutting-edge technology. Renault's commitment to innovation and quality shines through in every aspect of the Clio, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a stylish, practical, and enjoyable driving experience. The 2024 Renault Clio boasts a sleek and dynamic design that turns heads wherever it goes. Its flowing lines, sculpted bodywork, and bold front grille create an athletic and modern appearance. The Clio's aerodynamic profile not only enhances its visual appeal, but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency and reduced wind noise. Renault offers a range of customization options for the Clio, allowing owners to personalize their vehicle to suit their style. From vibrant exterior colors to eye-catching alloy wheels, the Clio can be tailored to make a statement on the road. With its premium finishes and attention to detail, the Clio stands out as a sophisticated and stylish choice in the compact car segment. Step inside the 2024 Renault Clio, and you'll be greeted by a thoughtfully crafted interior that exudes quality and comfort. The cabin exhibits a clean and minimalist design, with premium materials and soft-touch surfaces throughout. The attention to detail is evident, creating a refined and inviting space for both the driver and passengers. The seats in the Clio are supportive and comfortable, providing a pleasant ride even during long journeys. The clever use of space ensures ample legroom and headroom, accommodating occupants of various sizes. The ergonomic layout of the controls and the well-placed storage compartments enhance convenience and usability, making the Clio a practical choice for everyday use. The 2024 Renault Clio offers an impressive range of engines that strike a balance between performance and efficiency. The lineup includes petrol, diesel, and hybrid powertrains, catering to different driving preferences and environmental considerations. Renault's commitment to lightweight construction and advanced engineering contributes to the Clio's impressive fuel economy. The engines in the Clio deliver peppy performance and smooth power delivery, making it agile and responsive in urban and highway driving alike. The available manual and automatic transmissions offer seamless gear changes, enhancing the driving experience. With its efficient engines and aerodynamic design, the Clio not only delivers on performance but also helps reduce emissions and minimize its environmental impact. The 2024 Renault Clio is designed to provide a dynamic and engaging driving experience. Its compact size, precise steering, and nimble handling make it a joy to maneuver through city streets and winding roads. The suspension system strikes a balance between comfort and sportiness, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining stability and control. Renault has also equipped the Clio with advanced safety features to enhance driver confidence. This includes features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, which help prevent accidents and ensure a safe driving experience. The Clio's responsive handling and comprehensive safety features make it a reliable and enjoyable companion on any journey. The 2024 Renault Clio incorporates cutting-edge technology to enhance convenience, connectivity, and entertainment. The infotainment system features a user-friendly touchscreen display, providing seamless integration with smartphones through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system offers access to navigation, music streaming, and hands-free calling, keeping drivers connected while on the move. The Clio also offers advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control and traffic sign recognition, further enhancing safety and easing the driving experience. Additionally, Renault's Easy Park Assist system simplifies parallel parking and maneuvering into tight spaces, adding an extra layer of convenience. In conclusion, the 2024 Renault Clio is a standout choice in the compact car segment, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. With its sleek design, well-crafted interior, efficient engines, nimble handling, and advanced technology, the Clio delivers a delightful driving experience. Renault's commitment to innovation and quality is evident in every aspect of the Clio, making it a compelling option for those seeking a compact car that excels in both form and function. Whether in the city or on the open road, the 2024 Renault Clio is sure to impress with its charm, versatility, and enjoyable driving dynamics.